All advancements now have a dependency on data. The problem is, your precious data is stored on databases that are still insecure by nature of their design. Let's take the example of fraud profiling data. When making a purchase online, your card processor will reference your request against over 200 data points, such as location, angle of your phone, typing styles, and more. Should those credentials get into the wrong hands, purchases could be made that appear authentic, rendering that profiling data useless. Traditionally, your request would simply be passed directly to the database. Over the internet, hackers can use the very same connection to expose your data. Torricel prevents these attacks without sacrificing the speed of your user experience. Instead of a direct connection, a request is sent via a series of Torricel hardware zones, AI request protection, and proprietary comms protocols. Once received, your data is now passed to an input buffer. Once the request has been checked for anomalies, the internet is disconnected and the request is translated into a unique, encrypted, and specific reduced language. Our patented dataless logic switch now connects the input buffer to the secure storage and processing zone, allowing the request to be transferred onward. The switch then disconnects all zones. In our fraud example, this is where your request is analyzed against secured user profile data to derive an authenticity score. However, any kind of data storage or processing request will occur in this zone. This outcome is then prepared and passed via a connection to the output buffer. Upon isolation, the output is translated back into standard computer language. Finally, the output buffer is connected to the external network for transmission back to the user or the onward service. Whether database query, blockchain, Internet of Things, smart device, or cloud service, the whole process happens in a fraction of a second. For more information about Torricel, visit www.torricel.com.